Size didn't matter here. One lion cub, and a mistake it won't forget. In the African savanna, curiosity often comes before experience. When a young lion cub approaches a single mongoose, it expects fear. Instead, it triggers an alarm. Within seconds, the ground erupts. Dozens of mongooses surge forward, not to hunt, but to defend. Outnumbered and overwhelmed, the cub panics. Only when its mother charges in does the pressure break. The lesson is clear. In the wild, teamwork can overpower size.
The swarm attempts to isolate the cub, but the lioness charges forward, her powerful swipe sending the bold mongooses scattering. With the mongooses closing in, the lioness forces her panicked cub through a narrow gap in the brush, clearing a path toward the tall grass.
Though small, the banded mongooses pose a threat. The lioness, keenly aware of the danger to her cub,
with the pups safely escorted by the adults, the troop demonstrates remarkable teamwork as they move across the dry grasslands.
banded mongooses work together, using their powerful claws to unearth a meal of termites and grubs hidden beneath the dry savanna soil.
The adults act as escorts, guiding the vulnerable pups through the dry grass, a remarkable display of social resilience and care.
Sensing an unseen threat,
In a stunning display of unity, the mongooses surge forward, confusing the predator with their collective resilience.